Hi, everybody. My name is Victoria. I'm a customer success manager at Microsoft in Germany, and I'm so excited to introduce you to our newest gamification approach for Microsoft Teams. With almost every one of us working from home, the need for new ways of learning have been highly demanded. So, with the inspiration coming from a gamification approach, we aim to create a game that combines multiple elements to trigger a specific learning topic, deliver results through teamwork, and get immediate feedback that helps you to grow. So we created this treasure hunt power app for the simple and playful development of skills and knowledge all around the topic Microsoft 365. In total, the game has 13 quests and riddles, which you need to solve as a team in a Teams meeting. And now the big question, how do you get this power app in your team? Well, this is actually just a one-time process thing. So one of your coworkers or yourself would need to follow the next steps that I'm going to show you. I'm going to share my screen with you and show you what to do. So first, I would recommend you to use a Edge or a Chrome browser that at least works for me the best, and just to go through it, the installation guide without having any bugs. Okay, so I've opened a Teams demo environment where I'm today Diego, and this is the one tab that I've opened, so please open your own Teams tab. And in the next tab, I would like you to open the link that is under the video here also to get the instructions for the installation guide, where you will need to go into the installation here and go to the bottom of the site and download those 4 Excel sheets here. So the configuration and the next 3, yes, and the zip file. So you should in total have 5 documents. Okay, once you've downloaded these 4 Excel sheets and the zip file, go back to your team surrounding and start here. To begin with, you need to create a team from scratch. You can do that here from scratch, and you need to create a public one. A public one is the reason because you would need to allow everyone insights in the lists that you just downloaded. Once you're ready, your team will look like this. Then you go to the 3 dots and open it in your SharePoint environment. Then you will come into your SharePoint here. And now you can click on the Home button and add those lists that you just downloaded. So from Excel, and you just go one by one and say here, okay, the first one, and open it and let it load here, and then a table will show. The table here, you can just leave it and say next and delete everything after Teams. And you don't need to show it in the site navigation on the left side. So you can click that off and create. And do the same with the next 3, but I'm just going to show you how to. So again, go to the Home button, click on New List, and add from Excel, and upload the file and the next file. With the next 2 files, it's important that you just adapt it a little bit. So you would need to here say, instead of where it says a single line of text, you need to change it to choice. So that's just if it's in German or in English. Now I can go to next and delete everything after questions here. And create. Okay, 2 down, 2 to go. And let's continue with the next one. So you go back to the home here again and click on the new and list again. And yes, so home, new list, and from Excel again, and then upload your 3rd file. And here you have to do the same as the one before again, where you just change the local here to choice. Next, and after N, you can delete everything and create. Okay, so now you have only 1 left, and then you're done with the import of all of the Excel sheets. So you go to the home again and click here on new list, and from Excel, upload file, and here click on the configuration file. Okay, and open it. And now you can leave this one actually at the same as before. So leave this just as it is, say next, and delete everything after configuration just as here, and show inside navigation, you don't need that again, and just create. Once you're done with those 4 Excel sheets, the next part begins. So this is the second part where we switch from the SharePoint side, this side, to your Power Apps side. So click on the waffle sign up here on the left side and go to Power Apps. Now your Power Apps environment should open. And here you click on Apps, the third one, and import the Canvas app. Here you upload it. It's changed to German, but it doesn't actually matter. It's the same spots where you need to click. So I'm just gonna explain it to you. So you just upload that, the zip file that you downloaded. And this is loading just to see if it's fine like it is, or if we need to change something. And I'll click this. Exactly. So now you will see that there's this red sign here. And we need to get rid of that and get it to be green. So here you would need to say update and change it to a new one, to a new sheet, if you want to say that. And then you can call the name treasure hunt and save it. And now you can see that it's adapted here, and now you can import it again. Okay, now it's gonna load and turn eventually green over here. When it's green over here, we can go back and go into the apps again over here. See, it's green now, so now you can go into apps here again. You click on the apps, and now here you will see the treasure hunt already uploaded. So the app is already here now. So now we're very close. Now I need to press edit. It's the first one also in English. So you go into the edit setting of the Power Apps. Here it's about to connect with the, it's fine, with the 4 Excel sheets that you just uploaded. So here you connect with your SharePoint again with this one. Yes, I'm going to allow it, and go to the next one. So now you're in your Power Apps edit setting. Here you need to go on the left side, and where you can see like a bucket, it's for data. And here are the 4 lists that you already added. But we first actually need to go to the last one to delete it and make a new connection. So you delete those 4 one by one and add new again. You go to the last one, to this arrow here, and use SharePoint. Then here your SharePoint environment should open, and you see here on the right side, you see here the teams that you have. So I'm going to use the team that I created, the public one in the beginning. So you should do that as well. Use your public one. And here you will add those 4 lists back in again. They will all show up here on the left side again, and will be ready to be used. Okay, say yes, save. Okay, so now they're back here. You actually just need to go to the file here and say save. Now you save it like it is. So you connected it with 4 Excel sheets, and now you can publish it. The publishing part is very important. You need to publish it to your coworkers. So you publish this version and say publish to everyone. Now you can also say share it. So now you can share it with your whole organization. Here it's just about to see, okay, I'm the owner of it. Like I said, I'm the Diego, and here you can say I think it's in German, or in English, it's everyone, but here you can like add everyone to it and say send and publish it and share it. That's all of you, all what you have to do. So that's actually it. You have now shared it with everyone. You can here also choose if you want to send it per email or not, and then share. That's up to you. Okay, and now for the big test. Let's see if it's in the Teams environment. So you go back to your first tab, and in the Teams where you've created the channel, and click on the tab here, because this last part is only the part for your coworkers now also to do. So they won't need to do the whole other part. So now you can search for Power Apps. Let's see if I can find it here. Okay, that's too much. I'm just gonna look for Power Apps like this. And you need to add Power Apps. And then you here look for Treasure Hunt. That should be one of the, yeah, here it's already here. Okay, so you add it and save it. And that's actually it. Now you have installed it for your whole organization and shared it with your coworkers. And now you're actually ready to play the game. So for the other coworkers, they would just need to add it per tab up here for everyone. And then you're ready to start the game. And yeah, off we go. So I hope you enjoyed watching it, and I hope it wasn't too complex at all, because it should be very easy to follow. And yeah, so have fun with the game, and I hope to see you soon. Take care.